Good morning, friends. I hope you're doing very well today. My name is Janek Arts, and today I got no idea what to record, so we're doing something pretty simple, pretty chill. We're just going to do another time-lapse video, but with a little twist, because today I'm going to actually show you my process of drawing a picture in real life. So I feel like this is a little bit of a pretty interesting thing regards of my usual, let's say, setup for drawing, because usually you see me doing art on my computer, but today you're going to actually see what I do in real life. So yeah, thank you for the recent support on the channel, and let's get right to the video. IRL camera moment. Okay, so this is the stuff that I am going to be drawing today. I think you can see it pretty well. If not, I will just put a picture of it in the video like later on. But yeah, here's the drawing that I'm going to be doing today. By the way, this is my second take because the first time the camera was way too low. So this is the drawing that I'm going to be doing today. So let's get into it. Now, let me actually explain what I am even drawing. So, I attend an art course every single week, once a week, on Saturdays. This is like an architectural art class, and we're just learning to do like more professional drawings. But every 3 months or so, we can choose to do whatever we want because we are compiling all our skills that we learned from the last couple of months and just putting them all into one singular drawing. And for this one, I actually chose to do a helicopter because I have never even done a helicopter like professionally in any professional drawing. So I figured it would be a pretty cool idea since also I have been doing cars for a very long time for those final drawings. And I can actually show you two of my favorite final drawings right now. And here they are. They are depicting two cars, which I feel like are pretty nice, and I feel like they turned out pretty good. And this drawing also I have pretty good feelings about because this is something that I never even done, but the initial sketch for it, I feel like it turned out really nice. This is something I am very proud of because I have never really drawn a helicopter in a professional setting without any preparing, but I managed to do it pretty nice. Especially I am happy with how the rotors turn out and with the turning motion, because it's pretty hard to actually depict a rotating object when it comes to a still drawing. So I feel like it turned out pretty good because like drawing helicopters, when I was sketching them, I just drew them with like some parallel lines, and it kind of looked like motion blur, but not that much. But this time it actually turned out pretty nice. So I feel like this is a pretty cool drawing, and this is actually something that I'm very happy because this is something that I have never done before. I have never drawn a helicopter in a professional setting. I have obviously like sketched them for some time, and I have like gained some skills at drawing and sketching them. But when it comes to something that is professional, I have to measure everything. I have to make sure that everything stays in line, stays in the perspective, everything lines like connect, and everything is cool. I have never actually done that, so I feel like this is pretty cool. And this is something that I am very proud of. But yeah, let me know in the comments what you think about this drawing. And now, just enjoy the time lapse. Right, so here is the final product. I still have a lot of stuff to do, but I will finish it here because this video is already like 30 minutes long, at least the recording. So I don't think I will continue that because I don't want this video to be that long. So this is what we're left with, but I think this is a pretty good progress. I still have a lot of stuff to do, but yeah, I think this is it for one video. So yeah, this is the end. All right, and yeah, now that this is done, I can agree that this is the end of today's video. So this is like the final effect of about 45 minutes of drawing. So yeah, let me know in the comments what you think. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and also make sure to leave out ideas for future videos in the comment section. So yeah, Janek is out. Peace.